Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Masaku Saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now I'm with Coco and Miumiu. Hi. Here we are going to show you Jojo. Get away from the camera. Hey. So sorry for that. Okay. Yeah, here we are going to show you how to make banana lollipop with storyline. Let's go.
The Sunday morning was rather cloudy and windy. Here, Miumiu, Coco, and Jojo gathered in the garden. And as usual, they were all very happy if it's about preparing meals. Especially Coco. When I squeezed 3 bananas with 45 grams of sugar, he hopped everywhere. Do you know why he was very happy, guys? But there, I didn't see Coco. He was on a banana tree. If you could recall the previous serial entitled Pentol, when Coco swung to his friend, his root was broken off and he landed in the bushes. Luckily, he's not injured. He told us that it's not his carelessness, but he was carrying a comb of banana with him. Then we helped him look for the banana around the garden. And finally, Coco found it back. He's really something, guys. But when I graded Miimiu's carrot, he fell asleep. He's probably tired, guys. Then I took him back home. Here in my kitchen, I chopped up the grated carrots and soaked it with water and a half teaspoon of salt for 5 minutes to cleanse other residue. And the next 5 minutes, exchanged the water and stirred it until the water boiled. Nah, Coco is up now. And they all begged me to teach them cooking. I beat 1 egg and added it into the mixer along with a quarter teaspoon of salt and carrot and stir it well. Eventually I agreed, but only in some safe conditions. They were all very excited, guys, and watching me carefully. Everything I do it for you. And I know you added 45 grams of bread flour. Suddenly Jojo sang and exclaimed, "What a good voice, Joe!" Miumiu guessed that it's making donut. Coco, banana jam, and Jojo give up. What do you guess, guys? Do you know? Then I heat my steamer up and pour the mixture into a baking sheet and I steam it for 15 minutes over a medium-low flame. Do you see, guys? Jojo fell asleep on Mimi's side. They are so cute. Don't forget to cover the baking sheets with foil, guys. When the cake was cooked, let it cool down for 10 minutes and then peel the paper off. While waiting for it cooling down, let's make its topping. But my chocolate was over. Someone might stole it. When I went out to purchase it, Coco and Jojo sneaked into the kitchen and they discussed about the small colorful balls.
Coco, these small balls look so cute.
Yeah, not balls, Joe, but marbles. And more terrible, they want to play golf. At the moment I arrived home, I was really shocked seeing Miumiu sweeping at the kitchen. Hurriedly, I approached and asked her what the matter was. Miumiu said that she had to use a brush because she found no broom nearby. And she told that when I was not there, Coco and Jojo came in and played some kind of like swordsman.
Yacht, yacht, I am the samurai. Yacht.
Zwing, zwing, I'm the last Jedi. Zwing, zwing.
Chop, chop, ding, ding, dong, dong.
Slash, slash, zap, zap, zap. Ow! When Miumiu heard of it, she quickly headed straight to the kitchen and stopped them. She advised them kindly, and both Jojo and Coco, who felt guilty, promised not to repeat it again. Suddenly, Coco appeared and wanted to help us. He, without any commando, stirred the chocolate. He is so kind. But he was too energetic that his spoon flew off his handle and poked my eyes. Oh, Jojo! It's so dark that I couldn't be able to see anything. I advised him to be more careful, and he apologized for his carelessness. What a thoughtful Coco. Then I fried those banana lollipops for 4 minutes, and it's the time to train Miumiu. Here I prepared a 10 cm ice cream stick to make it. She's very happy to practice cooking and sticking the lollipops. You see, guys, Miumiu was up to learn. I taught her once and she accomplished it in the blink of an eye. Oh. Coco and Jojo suddenly showed up again and they asked for a part. Then I divided their tasks so that they all could take part in it. Both Coco and Jojo agreed with my idea and were really excited. Coco's turn was to immerse all the lollipops into the melted chocolate, and apparently Coco was so agile, guys. He could perfectly accomplish his task. This Coco was really enticing. He was very happy with his great accomplishment. Woo, he wanna show off, man. Cool. Now Jojo's turn. He was about to adhere the crispy balls onto the lollipops. He thought for a while and he didn't adhere but immersed the lollipops into the cups of balls. So smart, man. What a mindful Jojo. Woohoo! He wanna show off, guys. He was jumping happily. He did it only in a few minutes. Awesome. Here, I presented to you the best banana lollipops. If you guys want to know how I molded them, here I cut the body below the neck of this small plastic bottle and I got a rectangle shape, sized 1 centimeter height, 4.5 centimeter length, and 3.5 centimeter width, and put some cooking oil onto the inner part of the shape. And before you mold the cake, press gently the cake with spatula to get 1 centimeter thickness. And the idea of lollipop came from Coco, who asked me to buy lollipop. Coco, don't! So I released the cap of the small bottle, whose diameter is 4 cm and 1.1 cm high, to get a circular shape. See? It's so neat, simple, and easy. After molding, mix 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with 45 ml of water and stir it until no clumps. Then dip the lollipops into the water flour and roll them over on the breadcrumbs. Heat up the pan and fry them for 4 or 5 minutes over a medium-high flame. For the topping, I steamed 4 bars of compound chocolate with 1 tablespoon of margarine and mixed it with 2 tablespoons of hot water. The best serving is when it's a bit cooling down, around 5 minutes, as the melted chocolate half-coated on the lollipops. The look is unique and appetizing. The taste is creamy, mouth-watering, and not too sweet. The texture is crunchy, soft, and crispy. This is the best fried banana I ever had, and you could fry it at home if you like it.
Hopefully you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button, and also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya.